Air travel in 2026 feels smoother, faster, and more automated than ever before. But behind the polished terminals and self-service kiosks lies a system built on silent rules most passengers never hear about. These are the airport security secrets travelers need to understand before stepping into a terminal again. Because long before boarding begins, decisions are already being made about every traveler moving through the building. The uncomfortable truth is simple. Many of these processes are never explained to passengers on purpose. Once travelers understand how airports really operate, they stop behaving in predictable ways. And predictability is what keeps everything running smoothly. When that predictability breaks, even slightly, friction begins to appear. Extra screening, quiet delays, unexplained checks, small inconveniences that feel random but rarely are. This video reveals the airport secrets they never tell passengers, not to create fear but to create awareness. Because knowing what happens behind the scenes can mean the difference between a seamless journey and a stressful one. Before starting, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel updates and insider warnings that could save time, money, and unnecessary stress on future trips. Number 1. Hidden cameras track more than safety. Most travelers assume airport cameras exist only to monitor crowds and prevent crime. That assumption only scratches the surface. Modern airport surveillance systems analyze movement patterns, behavior shifts, and even emotional cues. Advanced software can detect when someone is moving unusually fast, lingering too long, or changing direction repeatedly within the terminal. These patterns are not always linked to wrongdoing, but they can trigger quiet attention from airport security teams trained to identify anomalies. A traveler pacing near security or repeatedly checking screens may be flagged for observation without ever being approached. Nothing visible changes, yet the system begins watching more closely. This constant monitoring is designed to prevent disruptions before they happen. Number 2. Boarding pass scans reveal more than seat numbers. When a boarding pass is scanned at security or the gate, most passengers assume only basic information appears on the screen: name, flight number, seat assignment. In reality, airline and airport systems often display far more data. Staff may see fare class, loyalty status, connection details, and even whether a ticket was purchased at a discount or full price. This information quietly shapes how situations are handled. During overbooked flights or delays, passengers who paid higher fares or hold elite status often receive priority assistance. Budget ticket holders may face longer waits or fewer options when disruptions occur. Official policies rarely acknowledge this difference, but internal systems make it visible. Number 3. Your phone signals can be tracked inside terminals. Airports today use advanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tracking to monitor device movement throughout terminals. Even without connecting to public Wi-Fi, smartphones emit signals that can be detected by network sensors. These signals help airports understand crowd flow, congestion points, and average passenger movement speed. While data is typically anonymized, patterns linked to a specific device can still be observed during a single visit. If a passenger lingers too long in restricted zones or moves against expected traffic flow, alerts may appear in monitoring systems. This does not automatically trigger intervention, but it contributes to the broader behavioral picture airports maintain. Number 4. Why late arrivals get quietly noted. Arriving just before boarding may seem efficient. In reality, repeated last-minute arrivals create a pattern airlines notice. Frequent late check-ins, rushed security passes, and near-missed boarding calls can be recorded in internal systems. Over time, these patterns suggest a higher risk of delays or disruptions linked to a passenger. Airlines prioritize on-time departures above all else. Travelers with consistent last-minute behavior may receive less flexibility during future changes or rebookings. Nothing is stated openly, yet the pattern exists in the background. Number 5. The real reason gate changes happen suddenly. Gate changes often feel random or poorly organized. Behind the scenes, they are usually calculated decisions based on aircraft arrival times, passenger flow, and security logistics. Airports constantly adjust gate assignments to keep operations running smoothly across dozens of flights. Some passengers are affected more than others. Those with tight connections or late arrivals are more likely to be rerouted across terminals. Internal systems prioritize keeping flights on schedule over passenger convenience. If moving a gate helps maintain departure time, the change happens quickly. Number 6. Checked bags can be delayed on purpose. Most passengers believe delayed luggage results from mistakes or overload. Sometimes delays are intentional. When baggage systems detect anomalies such as unclear scans, unusual weight distribution, or routing concerns, bags may be held for secondary screening before being loaded onto aircraft. This process happens quietly and without passenger notification. Security clearance for luggage always takes priority over speed. If a bag requires additional checks, it may travel on a later flight, even when everything inside is legal. Packing neatly and avoiding excessive wrapping helps scanners interpret contents quickly. Clear packing reduces the chance of silent delays that separate passengers from their belongings. Number 7. Airport staff can see tight connections instantly. When boarding passes are scanned, systems immediately display connection times for passengers continuing onward. Travelers with extremely tight connections are often flagged automatically. This allows staff to decide whether to hold a plane briefly, rebook a passenger preemptively, or prepare assistance at arrival gates. However, this visibility also creates hierarchy. Passengers with longer layovers receive less urgency when disruptions occur. Those at risk of missing connections are handled first. The system prioritizes efficiency across the network rather than individual convenience. Booking reasonable connection times remains one of the most effective ways to avoid stress. Relying on minimum connection windows leaves little room for error in an environment designed around precision timing. Number 8. Duty-free purchases are sometimes rechecked. Buying items after security feels safe and final. Yet certain duty-free purchases can still trigger additional screening at boarding gates or during transit through connecting airports. Liquids, electronics, and sealed packages may be inspected again depending on destination regulations. This secondary screening is rarely announced in advance. Passengers only discover it when bags are reopened or items are scanned again near the gate. Keeping receipts and original packaging accessible helps avoid delays during these checks. Number 9. Passenger behavior can create a hidden travel reputation. Airports and airlines maintain internal notes about passenger interactions more often than travelers realize. These notes are not criminal records or public files. They exist quietly within airline systems and are usually created after difficult interactions, repeated complaints, or disruptive behavior at counters and gates. A single frustrating moment rarely creates a long-term impact. Patterns do. Frequent arguments with staff, ignoring boarding instructions, or creating scenes during delays can leave subtle digital markers attached to a passenger profile. Over time, those markers may influence how future situations are handled. Passengers with calm, cooperative histories are more likely to receive flexibility during rebooking or seat changes. Number 10. Seat maps are quietly adjusted until boarding. Many travelers believe the seat chosen during booking remains fixed unless a voluntary change is made. In reality, airline systems adjust seat assignments constantly until boarding begins. These adjustments are based on aircraft balance, loyalty status, late bookings, and operational needs. Passengers without assigned seats may be placed strategically to distribute weight across the aircraft. Families may be moved to accommodate upgrades or crew requirements. Elite travelers can be shifted into preferred rows at the last minute if space becomes available. Most of these changes happen silently. Notifications may appear only when a boarding pass is rescanned at the gate. Number 11. Why some passengers always board first. Priority boarding appears straightforward. Premium cabins, loyalty tiers, and special assistance categories are usually called first. Yet there is another layer most passengers never hear about. Airline systems sometimes assign early boarding to travelers based on connection risk or operational convenience. Passengers with tight connections may be moved into earlier boarding groups so they can exit quickly upon arrival. Those carrying large cabin bags might also be boarded sooner to prevent overhead bin congestion later. Number 12. Airports monitor how long passengers spend at each stage. Time tracking within airports has become highly precise. From the moment a passenger enters security lines to the second a boarding pass is scanned at the gate, timestamps are recorded. These data points help airports understand where delays occur and how passengers move through each stage. If a traveler consistently takes longer than average at document checks or security screening, systems may adjust expectations for future journeys. This does not create penalties, but it influences predictions. Passengers expected to move slowly through checkpoints may receive earlier recommended arrival times or alerts within airline apps. Number 13. Overbooked flights use complex selection formulas. When flights are oversold, airlines rarely choose passengers randomly for rebooking. Internal formulas weigh multiple factors including fare class, loyalty status, check-in time, and connection importance. Even seat location can influence decisions. Passengers who checked in late or purchased the lowest fare categories are often considered first when volunteers are needed. Travelers with tight onward connections or premium tickets are typically protected from removal unless absolutely necessary. This selection process remains largely invisible. Announcements asking for volunteers create the impression of chance, yet underlying systems have already identified which passengers are most likely to be approached if no one steps forward. Number 14. Airport Wi-Fi activity can trigger security filters. Using airport Wi-Fi feels routine and harmless. However, certain online activities performed within airport networks can trigger automated security filters. Accessing restricted websites, attempting to bypass network controls, or connecting to suspicious servers may raise alerts within monitoring systems designed to protect airport infrastructure. These alerts rarely lead to direct confrontation. Instead, they may prompt additional observation or secondary screening at later checkpoints. The goal is to prevent potential digital threats from entering secure environments. Number 15. Why some flights close boarding earlier than expected. Boarding times printed on passes are not always the final cutoff. Gates may close earlier than scheduled when all checked-in passengers appear to have boarded, or when departure slots become available ahead of time. Once final passenger counts match the manifest, airlines may seal flights quickly to avoid missing takeoff windows. Late arriving passengers sometimes reach the gate moments after doors close, believing they are still within the printed boarding window. By that point, systems may have already released the flight for departure. Reopening doors risks losing the takeoff slot and causing wider delays across the network. Arriving at gates well before final boarding calls remains the safest approach. Printed times represent estimates, not guarantees. Number 16. Lost items are logged into global databases. When items are left behind in terminals or aircraft cabins, they are not simply placed in local lost and found bins. Many airports now log found items into shared databases accessible across multiple locations. Electronics, documents, and valuables are tagged with time and location details before being stored securely. If a passenger reports a lost item quickly, staff can often trace where it was last detected within the airport. However, delays in reporting reduce recovery chances. Unclaimed items may be transferred to centralized storage facilities within days. And here's the last thing you need to know. The final security layer happens at the gate. Many passengers believe security screening ends after clearing the main checkpoint. In reality, a final layer of screening often occurs at the gate. Behavioral observation teams watch boarding areas for signs of distress, confusion, or unusual conduct. Boarding pass scans also revalidate passenger data against updated watch lists and flight information. This last check ensures that nothing changed between initial screening and boarding. If new alerts appear in the system or behavior raises questions, passengers can be pulled aside moments before boarding without prior warning. These interventions are designed to be quiet and controlled to avoid disrupting the wider boarding process. Stay informed. Enjoy your trip. Airports in 2026 operate on invisible systems designed to keep travel safe, efficient, and predictable. Most of these systems work quietly in the background, never explained to passengers unless something goes wrong. From digital tracking and behavioral observation to internal airline formulas and hidden timing data, every journey is shaped by processes few travelers ever see. Understanding these airport secrets changes how travel is approached. Passengers who move with awareness move with advantage. They avoid unnecessary friction and navigate terminals with confidence. Travel becomes less stressful when the hidden rules are understood. If this video revealed something surprising about how airports really work, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more travel insights and updates that help every journey stay one step ahead.